Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add your Google Search Console HTML file in WordPress. I'm now inside my WordPress dashboard, and first go to Plugins and hit Add New Plugin. Now search for File Manager, click on Install Now, click on Activate. Now go to WP File Manager. These are all of your WordPress website files. Now all you need to do is to locate your HTML file on your computer and drag and move it just like that. Drop it. And this is how to add your Google Search Console HTML file in WordPress. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger, hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.